We're here at the Longhorn Classic. There's some guys here. Mike's still on his way. Did you see him drop in?
Yeah.
Oh,
Golden Superior and A Delta Syndicate.
Golden Superior and A Delta Syndicate. First two birds in the trap. Way fast for a...
Way fast.
Well, I was like ready to go live in about 10 more minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Like another 30 minutes.
What's the speed?
1900 and something.
I'll tell you what, those birds are ready. Mike had them. Try again. Okay, well, how? I think I need to go in there and push him down because we like to take pictures of them. I was in there trying to do some last minute. People are wanting to still add the, the crowns, which I think is fine until the birds show up. So I made it within like.
Yeah, it's too late now.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's too late now. Oh, man, it's been a crazy week. I can't really go in there because I gotta watch for more birds.
These birds right here are going to be way out in front on the average. I don't.
Hi, my name's Laura.
John McCollum. I'm from LOFTS.
Yeah, Mike said you were coming. Thanks for coming out. You gotta wait for the grandkids. Wow. That's crazy. That's fun.
Absolutely.
Okay, so I don't know why you guys were honking at me. I'm like, I'm coming.
Yeah, how you doing?
Yeah, hey, I thought I said hi already. Yeah, the clock's on, but I like to do my Facebook Live. So they came up over that's where we expect them, right?
Yeah.
Up over those trees right there. Oh, I think Mike's supposed to be here at like 10:15. Maybe somebody can text him and tell him first. He knows. Well, hey everybody, we're here at the Longhorn Classic. It's our first 150-mile race. And we had two birds flock already. Golden Superior, was Golden Superior first? Golden Superior first.
Yep.
And then
A Delta Syndicate.
A Delta Syndicate second. Mike
What was
just,
it? Delta Superior? And
no, it's Golden Superior and A Delta. Golden Superior had first on the drop at the final in our first year, 1922, or 2022.
He had like 30 birds in here, didn't he, that first year?
Yeah.
Did he bring his birds over there or ship them?
I'm pretty sure he came and dropped them.
He lives in Terrell.
Yeah, I think he dropped them in Flower Mound. I can't quite remember. It's because I think Mike was the one that took them in, so I can't remember.
He kept getting boxes way all the time. He used to sell a lot of pigeons.
They should be coming right over those trees somewhere. I've got it charging. Thank you very much.
Sure, no problem.
Thank you. Wow.
So where are you going to put your home? Put it down here?
Well,
Or are you going to live
things have
someplace
kind
else?
of changed because I'm taking care of my mother.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I heard. There's family loss.
Yeah, it was things just happen.
They do.
We were planning on building out here. Geez, I guess it's been like 2 years ago that when my dad got sick, and I was taking care of him when he was on hospice. And then he was still able to take care of her until he, passed. So now now there's nobody really to take care of her, so.
She has some major health problems.
Oh yeah, I mean she's actually the poster child for beating cancer. She's had 4 different cancers, believe it or not, but mostly it's her memory now. She just can't really, she's weak, just a little thing. So she had throat cancer twice, so she can only drink her food.
Yeah.
Anyway.
You have trouble with each other. Where we're at, because we're down by the lake, so it's kind of like the best of both worlds. You almost feel like you're in the country, plant chickens and stuff, but still, lots of good restaurants, and close to the airport. Yeah, they've got an acre. It's called Green Meadow Lane.
Green Meadow, I think you're like super close to us. Super close, so like right by McCamey.
Well, they're in the country.
Yeah. Green Meadows.
Lots of little ups and down roads.
I think you're super close to us. That sounds so familiar.
There's a traffic light at the water tower, and we just turn in at that point and just back on the little roads back there.
Yeah.
And the lake, I've walked down to the lake.
Oh yeah, you probably passed our house. We can walk to the lake too from where we're at.
That was a long walk.
Oh, ours is a pretty short walk.
It took me probably 20 minutes or so. It wasn't not that long, but
Here comes Mike. do you and Mike know each other?
yeah, I used to run a one-loft race from Lodi.
Oh, okay.
Bob Mitchell. I get in races with Bob, but it's Bob much. Once Bob passed away. He passed away 10 years ago.
Oh, wow.
So we were partners running the Delta Classic for years. We were partners for 25, 30 years. Lived 30 miles off track, so he just came up from my place. So we run the race together. Hello, Mike.
Hey, how you doing?
Doing well.
Good to see you.
You got 2 extremely early ones.
I
and
know.
Nothing else.
I don't know how
Good to see you
that
too.
could even.
We're on Facebook Live.
All right. I'm gonna go push them down.
I already did.
Oh, they're all the way down to the end.
They're down to before you turn the corner.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna push them into this last little section, so
Okay.
they're easy.
We like to take pictures of the winners of each race, so it's easier if we push them down.
Yeah.
It's a lot easier to find.
Listen, I used to hate this. We did early birds. Come on. Where's the early
I see birds. What is that's not pigeon.
My vision is what it once was. It's macular degeneration in my right eye.
What is that? Is that like a
I got a
that
little
like a
blood.
cataract, or?
I got a little blood in the macula, which is what you see from. So I got an area that's just blurry.
matter what it is, it's always says to you, yeah, you're not going to last forever after all.
Darn it.
My wife passed away 10 years ago. She said, when are you going to stop this race? Bob passes on, I'll let him go.
And she passed away 10 years ago too? They both did?
My brother, Bob, and my wife all passed away.
Oh, that was a
Passed
tough
away
year.
in 1 week.
In 1 week? Oh my goodness.
Just got a message from my brother passing. I'm not sure if he passed the same week, but I think
Close.
he did. All of them passed within a week of one another.
Oh wow, that was
So I had to finish up the race on my own.
oh.
I race out of the one loft race loft now. So I got lots of rope.
Well, when I was driving here, I was thinking the flags were waving pretty good.
Yeah, yeah, we got a nice breeze. Yeah, our one loft race was the old one loft race loft that Mike Camera had up on his property for years. Their club used. So it was all set up for us, and we pulled it off the hill and drove it over Quanah.
You can do that?
Yeah. Well, with the trailer loft,
Was
it's
it
a
like
50
that?
foot.
Was it big like that?
It's a 50-foot trailer loft.
Oh, okay.
It's 53 feet long, like the big rigs use. But set up as from the outside, you'd expect it to be a construction mobile, because it's
Yeah.
contractors building perhaps. Set up on a dual axle, so he got there almost faster than we did with the trailer on, hauling that big trailer. Hadn't been moved in years. And then he moved it on down.
The only thing I can think of is if you look in the video of the release, birds are heading more east than they were southeast. The main flock. These might have been a couple that didn't join the flock.
Yeah.
But,
They could have been the last ones out the gate.
yeah, but still they had to fight the wind to get home. I mean, the wind's blowing, that's right where they should. They're like 20 minutes ahead right now.
Yeah.
Kenny and Sam said they came, right up.
Yeah, well,
over
they
the-
normally come like over here. They'll come right in this area. Sometimes there's a little rise over here a little bit, and they kind of go around it when they're coming home. Let's see these guys.
I wonder what the speed's at now.
Quanah brought a second vest here. It's
It's chilly.
chilly out here.
Yeah, it is.
Breeze. So it's not like 3 tiers of completely open space in there, huh? Is that the way those work?
It has 4 because of the bottom one.
I
Yeah.
figured the bottom one might be for tools or something. But,
No.
So it's got 4.
He does. The
4
first
heights.
year, I think he just wanted to have it so it could hold 1,500 birds.
Yeah.
Because that was our first year. That was
And
our.
you can move around a lot easier. The birds move around nicely.
Yeah, I mean,
There's a guy over in Hillmore that had a one loft race. It's like that. Of course, then you got Carl and Tim Perry over there. AGN.
Did you get one of those yet?
Oh, are you charging?
Or? Yeah,
Alright.
charging.
Oh, I changed it this morning on the way back.
Just benzing.
Oh, I haven't changed it on
Spends
that.
speeds are 1900.
No, I have to change it on benzene.
1900 yards a minute on benzing.
Yeah, I don't know how to log into that one on my phone. I don't think I can because I have to do it on my laptop.
That program, yeah.
Yeah. Let me go change that so if anybody else is looking at that.
I guess he wanted to let him go as early as possible to, like, maybe the winds are less. He says the earlier the better.
Making her warm up.
Yeah, it's chilly. Birds! Wow, look at them trapped in. That's some trapping right there.
That was a big group.
How many was that?
Let's see. Close to 50 birds, I would guess.
Let's see. 64, so 62 birds. That drop.
So who came in third?
Let's see. Oh, I gotta go all the way this low. Let's see, how do I do that?
First, I have to split that 62 ways. That's split that third bird 63 ways.
Good thing we do clocking order.
Yeah.
Not those checks.
Let's see if it's on.
$3.50.
Yeah. Third bird, WPG Loft and Aramis Alba Loft. Quest any given day. A Delta Syndicate again. Tira family, Irish Syndicates, TCR, Mike Hines, Yan Loft, Gannis family, Bruno, Wessel family, JoJo's International, Flying D, JP Loft, Mike and Troy Garrett, Midas, JoJo again, Rooster, Boomerang, Desert Diamonds, New Era Loft, Underground Loft, Jay's Loft, Yan Loft, Christopher Loft, WPG Loft, Letellier and Son, TCR, Christopher, Barry Karras, Holtz Loft.
Here's birds.
cold this morning.
Yeah, he was saying he wished he brought another vest.
No, I understand. No, I brought two.
Oh shit!
I'm
You got
comfortable.
a jacket and the vest on. There you go. There you
About
go.
the same
birds.
weight, Mike.
Bird, you gotta stay comfortable, right?
What is that? Is that a couple of hawks up there?
Yeah.
2 red tails up there, huh? Red tails up there.
Yeah.
More birds. Oh, a bunch of birds. More birds.
And 185.
185 in.
Yep.
Here's a big group.
Well, mine's only this one.
Oh.
Yeah, I had,
264 now. 267.
267 in.
Yep.
Well, there's still a lot to go.
Yep. Just keep them coming.
Coming in some big groups. Here's one.
Here's a little group.
Here comes a couple.
281.
281.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta go run and get my little. I have little glove things. My hands are freezing.
Oh. Want me to hold that?
Yeah, I just need to. It's on that bag. It's in that bag that's on the ground.
Oh, okay. Oh, trying to reconnect. Well, ladies and gentlemen, oh, here comes a bird straight out of the north. But I don't know how those two birds front did what they did. I'm just thinking they didn't hang with the main flock, because the main flock was going a little bit more east than it should, and those two birds didn't get up with it and just bucked the wind. And even then, I still don't even know, with the wind the way it is, here's another group, with the wind the way it is, how they even made the speed they did. It's puzzling.
Here comes the birds.
Where's your fingers?
Mike's asking where's his.
Oh, I got them. I don't need them right now. I'm good.
Yeah.
Can't. I could be fumbling around. Can't do anything. There's one bird.
One bird. The loner.
Can't even see
Two birds.
I know. We're up to 294, 295, 296.
You got the whistle?
Oh.
Here come some birds. Some more.
It's 319.
319.
Yep.
300 more almost.
Still.
About 50%, just about.
Oh, here it comes.
Here comes a group.
Man, they just run in those traps.
I know. Oh, my ears are getting cold.
This is awesome.
That thing, oh, where you put your thumb in there?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
here-
birds. More birds.
371.
371 out of 613.
Sometimes it makes that noise and sometimes it doesn't.
You don't know why?
Huh?
You don't know why?
Every time a bird comes in, it's supposed to make that noise when it refreshes on benzene.
There's some birds.
I'll see him in a minute.
Yeah, shit. Okay, I see.
My sister let me see my birds so far. Here comes the 30 seconds later. Close to
386.
386. We released 613.
How many
Three-
go to one campaign?
About 230 to go.
So those first two are 25 minutes ahead.
so about 1,900 yards.
Yeah, well, 1790. Then the main group, when they started showing up, that was 1520. Oh, or 1519. And that's still fast. I thought they'd make maybe 1400. The wind on. Here's another group.
In the group.
I thought I was going to be sitting here for quite a while. First two birds came in, so it's
Four 17.
417. There's a single bird.
200 more.
Yep, just under 200 more. Him, he's like, woo, look at me.
Yeah, taking that victory.
Victory lap.
Oh, another bird. Sometimes they do that. They'll drop and they just jam away.
There's no bird in the sky that won't join you.
Yeah, back down.
There's some birds. Did you see that one? Yeah, he's like, oh, yeah, I'm tired.
What up?
Was that around 435?
426.
426? Oh, good. Here's some 3 birds. And one coming out of the back.
Like traffic.
You know, but like when they come, I'll have a group. I know on training tosses too, because the hawk was bothered them for a while. And the main group will come in, and then somehow they just didn't land, and they'll circle and circle and circle for a long time.
Yeah, that's when you need droppers.
Yeah. It's 4:30.
So your loft is facing what?
The
Here's some. There's some birds.
No, I'm sorry. Well, that's the oldest. Traffic goes. 437.
437.
Oh man, my neck is.
180 left or something. 175.
Yeah. Pretty.
You can hear the water going.
I know. In fact,
There's a lone
we
bird.
have a automatic water system. We use those little round. They've been around forever. Yeah.
Install as a plumbing
Yeah.
rather than
That's
having
the little giant one.
Here's
The,
a
There's a group. 2 groups. Whoa. Couple more.
come on.
There's one. There's 2 all by themselves.
I see that one.
Different directions.
Oh, that one. Here's 3.
Two more.
I know.
It almost just like-
catch the wind to come on. I knew that was.
Like just flies through the trap.
Okay, 488.
488. 12
Uh-huh.
plus 13. That's 20. So 125. 125 left. Yeah. Seems like they're coming from. Yeah.
No, they're like, and that's what I thought might have happened today was the way the wind was going to blow them on the shoulder that they would come out of the water. headwind. That's light, not much. But I was going 70 miles, 69 miles on the freeway, and I was right beside him, and I'm barely passing him. And it's like, how are they doing that when, you know? But it is a training toss, so it was only 50 miles I had to deal with that. And, I know the further you go out, the
There's a bird.
what, that big one? Got one bird here. When we were first building that, we had a bed in there, we got a microwave, we got a refrigerator in there, air conditioning, water. So we would stay here, but then we had to take care of her dad. And now we're taking care of her neighbors.
There's a big group. Or a small group.
Color class.
Little group. Less than 100.
Yeah. Oh, it should be.
97.
It hasn't changed yet. There it goes, 516.
97 birds to go.
Yeah.
How long's it been since the first of the big group started? Or, after those first two? 30 minutes?
Almost an hour since the first drop. I think it was just before 10.
Yeah, it's 30 minutes since the main group started, the bigger group. The other ones. Yeah. If I take too long, I miss out on chow. Actually, I gotta go and see. I might have to.
Convincer.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I'll show him.
I know that's a big reward. They all could relate to that. So 517. Whew.
He was telling me about his one loft race.
Yeah.
Lodi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eat them up.
Good for renting. Pigs in the blanket.
Yeah, there you go. Maybe I should stick them in here. I don't know.
What are the other? We got
Oh.
where's Southern Made?
Right. Do you know where the neighborhood
Good.
Walmart is?
Yeah.
It's just.
The neighborhood Walmart?
Yeah,
The one is, it's one's down on 114.
the 407. There's a big one, Highland Village, but. Whoa. I'm gonna fly through the trap.
Got through to Terry's Stone. It's over by Tom Thumb. On Green. Cross Timbers.
Yeah, there's a neighborhood Walmart, and then there's like a Chili's across the street. But that's where the Southern Made is.
Very good crumb.
White bird.
Color class. What kind of chickens do you have underneath?
I think we've got like
Mishmash.
they're all roosters. There's 8 of them. 8 roosters.
You got all roosters, so you don't have to deal with
Eggs.
hens laying.
We didn't want to. Yeah,
all
we didn't
that.
want any eggs under there, because we don't go under there. So
683 chickens.
there's
chickens than we
600
got
rotten
pigeons.
eggs. Couple more. Yeah, they do a good job. They clean up all the feed, keep things stirred up under there. Yeah. Spooked a little bit. Maybe I can end this now.
Giving them peanuts. They would come and they were walking. I was not even coming out of my side garage door, and then I had to walk along the side of the house, and then I'd come out the back. The birds were walking all the way up the thing, all the way up to the side door, waiting for me to come out because they knew I had.
Maybe I'll turn this off now. Alright. Most of the birds are home, right?
Yeah, let me see here.
What was your name again? California?
531.
Sam along, John. Your last name, John.
Well, I guess we've got 531 birds out of the 613 that were released home. So that's
Yeah, well,
just about 82 birds to go. But I think we're going to go ahead and sign out here from the Longhorn Classic.
Break even at the end of the year.
Congratulations to everybody who won.
that's
Do
right.
you want to say anything, or?
No, actually, just everybody, thank you very much for tuning in and keeping tabs on us here at the Longhorn Classic. Thank you.